Well, folks, today we take a look at the company AVIS Budget Group. It's a car rental company, and this company is related to the airline industry in some way, shape, or form. It has gone through a lot of difficulties because of the pandemic. Before the pandemic, it was around $50, and look at the fall. Now, it is trying to each up, but it's facing difficulties. Right now, it's about 26 and some change. As you can see here, it's running into a little bit of resistance, so I'm expecting this market to trade lower to this level. If you draw a trend line, it's where it means, so I'm expecting this market to fall to this particular level. For those of you who are interested, it is a good buy when it comes to this level, because we expect the coronavirus cases to improve in the near future. So if you're buying this, it's for long-term holding. Because I believe once people get more comfortable to fly and use the airline, and as the airline industry begin to pick up, I'm expecting this stock to go back to where it was between 12 to 24 months. So if I see our AVIS is a company to check it out. It was a good company, and I believe it is a good buy once you get to this particular level right here, because I'm expecting this market to fall. You can see this is a triangle, and the triangle crosser right here. So wait for this to fall further, and you can add it to your portfolio. I hope this helps. I'll see you next time.